Hola, ¿cómo estás? This is your boy Addy, live from Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. So guys, as you know, I'm a realtor with Warren Brander Realty Group here in Puerto Vallarta. So today I wanted to make this video for my buyer clients to discuss what all financing options are available for you to buy here in Mexico. So we'll discuss few options today, guys. So the first one is cash purchase. Cash purchase is, let's say the house is listed for 400,000 and you are paying entire amount in cash. So that's a cash purchase. Historically in Mexico, majority of transactions that take place are cash transaction, guys. The second option is for my clients from US and Canada. What you can do is do a mortgage refinance. So if you own a home in US or Canada, you can reach out to your lender and you need to have an equity. So you have to find out if you can refinance. What they do in refinance is basically let's say your existing outstanding mortgage balance is 300,000. They can add more money to your mortgage to maybe bump it up to, let's say, 550 or 600,000, as long as you have equity in your home. So you have to reach out to your lender about the processing time and the requirements for that. That way, if they add that to your mortgage, which means they will give you money in checkings or savings account, and you can use that to buy in cash in Mexico. So the third option is getting a home equity line of credit. It's very similar to mortgage refinance. The only difference is you are not like increasing your mortgage amount. It's just you are taking out a secured line of credit against your house. So your mortgage balance still stays the same, but you are now taking a second loan against your house as a secured line of credit. And you can use that secured line of credit to make purchase here in Mexico. So the fourth option, guys, is I know I work with few brokers here in Mexico. I can get you in touch with them. So getting a mortgage directly to purchase here in Mexico. So with that, the interest rate, you might see them in a double digit. So the brokers that I closely work with, they work with private lenders, some banks in Mexico who can help you getting a mortgage. But the processing time can be a lot big, like more than what you might have it in US or Canada. So if you work with any broker here in Mexico, for the mortgage approval can take up from minimum 1 month to 4 months, depending on which lender they are going to submit your application. To find out more details, you can message me about the down payment. That is something I will make sure you discuss that with the mortgage broker. So that is also an option, but the rate would be really high, guys. So if you can make arrangements back in US or Canada, it's the cost of borrowing is cheaper. Okay, and here in Mexico, the amortization may not be same as what you would do in US or Canada. The amortization here, I believe they allow is maximum 20 years or could be less. Okay, and the next option is fifth option is developer financing. Again, it's not very common. So the developer financing means the developer will give you a mortgage. In that, if they do, they would ask you for a heavy down payment. It could be about 50% down. So again, it's a very few developers offer that mortgage option. So the next one, sixth one is seller financing. Again, it's not very common, but it is still people do it. So seller financing, again, you're asking seller to do a mortgage for you, and then you pay like whatever the terms and amortization are set in a contract. So it's between buyer and seller directly. But in seller financing, it's very seldom the seller will go beyond maybe 5 or 8 years for amortization. So monthly payments are going to be really high. So yes, that also option is also available. If you have any more questions about getting a financing, if you want to talk to any broker, you can directly reach out to me, guys. I'll leave my contact details on the description. Thank you so much again, guys, and you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye bye.